Are you ready to take your DJI Pocket 3 to the next level? Well, then I have a wonderful accessory today that's going to turn your Pocket 3 into a DJI Ronin 4 4-axle stabilization gimbal. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I love tech stuff and I love to do reviews on products and easy tutorials. So if you find that useful, please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. All right, let's talk about this amazing accessory that can turn your DJI Pocket 3 into a 4th-axle gimbal. I've reviewed products from this company on this channel before, and they are absolutely amazing. And it is Scotty Mak Stuff. Now, Scotty Mak Stuff has an absolutely amazing website where you can get so many different accessories for DJI products. So jump over to their website and have a look on their webpage to see if there's anything on there you like. But today we're going to be talking about the 4th-axle gimbal for the DJI Pocket 3. As you can see, it comes in this amazing pouch here with a drawstring on it, and it feels just absolutely terrific. Now, let's take it out and show you what it's all about. All right, guys, so we have the Micro Pro X 4th-axle gimbal for your DJI Pocket 3. Now, what it is, it's going to turn your DJI Pocket 3 from its 3-axis stabilization gimbal to a 4th-axis gimbal. And it is so simple to use and so easy to set up. You've got a few adjustment points just here to be able to get it the way that you want it. Now, there's simply just undo the screws, so then you can open this up just like so to get it the way that you want it. And you've got another handle here to extend it out even more if you need be. But I absolutely just love using it just like this. It feels great in the hand, and as you can see, it has a counterbalance just here. You've got this huge spring just in here that's going to keep your Pocket 3 stable with that 4th axis, just like the chicken head, up and down. So it is so simple to connect your Pocket 3 to it. As you see, you've got a 1/4-inch thread mount just here and another one just here. We're going to be using the blue one to connect it to the Pocket 3. You simply just put it on and then just twist it on, so then it is in there nice and secure. Now, as it sits like that, now pretty much ready to go. It's going to do a really good job of keeping that 4th-axis stabilization on it, but it comes with counterweights. Now, I have tested these counterweights out. How does it work the best? Now, so if you're just going to be walking around, then I would suggest just to put one of the counterbalances on, and then you're going to get the best quality footage that you can and stabilization that you can with your Pocket 3 with this 4th axis. But if you're doing something a little bit more intense, like you're going over some big bumps or anything like that, or you're jogging or even running, I would then screw on more counterweights to help stabilize that 4th axis even more. Now, I have taken this out in the field and have given it a cracking hot go in all different scenarios: walking, running, and even chasing down a good friend of mine, Danny Black, on an electric skateboard, to show you how well this works. So let's have a look at some of that footage now. So as you can see in the videos, when you're just walking around, it just holds that stabilization so well and so smooth. Like, as you can see here, I didn't have it on, I was just hand holding it, and you can see that there is some jitters and some bumps up and down while I'm walking. When I mounted the DJI Pocket 3 on the Micro Pro X, you can see how much more smoother that same movement was, because I had that 4th axis. But this just takes it to another level that you cannot get with the Pocket 3 standalone. I'll tell you, I absolutely love it. I love my Pocket 3. I use it every day, but Scotty Mak Stuff has just turned this into the best all-round personal vlogger, or even if you don't want to take a heap of gear out with you and you've got to do some recording, because the Pocket 3 is absolutely amazing with that 4K, just turns it into an absolute beast of a portable, lightweight, and easy to carry rig, so you can create that content. If you would like to pick up the Micro Pro X, I'll have a link below and maybe even a coupon code that you can use. It is an affiliated link and I do get a kickback from it. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. It would mean the world to me. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from Colin, out.